Alright, in video number 7, I'm going to go through the full cycle of completing a task or one of the units. I'm still logged in as user 120, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my ICT afternoon classes option over there. Let's say I want to go and do something in Excel. Alright, I've got to go into my course. And I'm going to do a basic to advanced formula over there. Right, now first of all, I need to download some exercise file in this particular one. So I'm going to click on download, and I've got the option to open it with Excel, or you can download it and open it afterwards. Save file, I can do that as well. I'm just going to open it right into Excel, and here you can see I'm landing in the elementary tab, and I'm going to follow the instructions that I must do over here, or that you can follow in the videos. I have to, let's say, type my name in cell C20, so I will go to C20 and I will type my name in there. I'm still logged in as John, so let's make it John, and your age, and so on and so on and so on. Now I'm not going to go through all of that to save some time, but let's say I'm all done with my questions, or the ones that I could do. Maybe if you do elementary one and you can't do intermediate and advanced, you can leave it out. Just do the elementary one. Right, I need to save it. What I normally do when I go to save as, I always go and save it obvious as an Excel workbook, and I always go to my desktop just to make it easier, just easier to find it there. And I'm going to call it basic to advanced as it was called, and just click on save. Right, once I've got it saved, I can close my Excel sheet, and now I've done it. There's my question, elementary to advanced. Please fill in all the formulas that you can find in the sheet, save and submit it to me, and also that other data that I've put in. So what I do is I browse my file, and I'll find it then on my desktop, because if it's not there, maybe it is in your documents, it won't be there. Just go to your desktop, and mine is sorted in date order, so I'll find it at the top, or you must just go and look it up alphabetically. And I say, right, that is my submission. I open it, you can see the name goes in there. It's a XLSX file, which is a allowed file type, so the computer won't have a problem with that. And I click on submit answer. Right, you'll see a little progress bar, and it says you have now completed this unit. And you can either go to the next unit, or you can now do your data and graphs, or you can just start right from the beginning. If I go into Excel again, what is nice, it tells you your progress, how far you are. After I've graded, this is the nice part, when I get your file and I grade it and I say, right, what a fantastic job you've done, give you some 90% or whatever, you can see your grades there. Obviously, you'll get the average of grades for that particular course. That will be averaged out if there's maybe 1 or 2, 3 of them, but you will have your grades in there. Right, and that's basically how you will complete any of your courses in this learning management system.